Hello guys, I'm going to try and explain the nitrogen cycle, and this probably most applies to the Welsh board, but I'm sure everyone can get something out of this. So yeah, let me know if there's anywhere I go wrong, and yeah. So, in most textbooks, the nitrogen cycle begins with putrefaction. Here, putrefaction is it's a form of decomposition. However, decomposition is probably too much of a general umbrella term to describe it. So putrefaction is used. Putrefaction involves the decomposition of plant remains, animal remains, or feces and urine into ammonium ions. So here you have bacteria or fungi which convert the plant remains or decaying matter into ammonia. And ammonia is converted into nitrites by nitrous ammonium. Nitrous ammonium sounds like ammonia, so that's one good way to remember it. And then this takes place in aerobic conditions. And you have here the nitrites are converted into nitrates by nitrobacter, also in aerobic conditions. This whole process here is nitrification and requires aerobic conditions. And you have here the nitrates absorbed by the plants for the production and synthesis of DNA and other types of nucleic acids. So in aerobic conditions, nitrates are converted into free nitrogen in the air by Pseudomonas, which is an anaerobic bacteria. So here, denitrification is what you don't want, because you want it's what you don't want if you want your soil to be fertile. You want to stop the production of nitrogen, and you want to encourage the production of nitrates for the plants to absorb the nitrates. And you have here nitrogen fixation, which is the process by which free nitrogen in the atmosphere is directly converted into ammonia by nitrogen fixing bacteria such as rhizobium. Rhizobium is found in the root nodules of legumes such as peas, beans and clovers. And Azotobacter is a free living bacteria found in the soil. So here you have nitrogen fixation, and it directly produces ammonia, so it's a quicker way of sort of converting the nitrogen in the atmosphere to nitrates. This whole process is a nitrogen cycle, and there are 4 stages to it, I think, which is easy to remember. There's putrefaction, nitrogen fixing, denitrification and nitrification. And I think it'd be best to find different ways to remember the bacteria that are associated with each. For here I put R for root nodules and R for rhizobium, because I always used to get them confused. So make sure you remember that rhizobium is found in the root nodules because of the symbiotic relationship between the plant and the bacteria. So yep, this is my nitrogen cycle, and I hope that helped. Bye.